In today's video, I did this makeup look that you see right here. I did like a pretty burgundy eye and I paired it with a dark purple lip. So if you want to see how I get it, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I'm gonna use some tape to give me like a good guideline of where my shadows stop. I'm gonna prime my lids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Another palette that's pretty similar to it, but I've just used it, so I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance today, is this palette by ColourPop. It's the Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette. I feel like they're very similar in colors, and this was way cheaper than this one. I'm going to start by taking raw sienna and buffing this in my outer V with a pencil brush. And then once I get to like the middle of my lid, I'm just kind of fade this color out a little bit, make it a lot lighter, not as intense as right here. I want this whole look to be like really faded and like a nice ombre effect. And then I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just go over the outer edges of that. Now that the color built up, I'm gonna take a little bit of Venetian red and start to do the same thing with this color, but a little bit more precise and light-handedly, since it is like a darker color. And then once all the color built up, I'm just gonna take off the tape. And then if you want, you can like fix up the shape a little bit. I'm just gonna go back and like fix up the shape. Really quickly, I'm going to take the shade Tempera and a flat definer brush. This is the Luxie 221. And I'm just going to clean up my brow bone. I'm just going to take some concealer and kind of help and kind of just clean up my lid area a little bit. And then for the outer edges, I'm going to take that same pencil brush that I was using and help fade the concealer edges in with the burgundy edges. And then I'm going to take the shade Tempera and set my lid with it. I just applied some lashes. I used the House of lashes in the style Natalia. And for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi in the shade W12. I've already primed with a moisturizer, by the way. For concealer, I'm going to use the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade 010. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to use this Naked Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder. To bronze my face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in the shade Sweet Tea. For blush, I'm going to use this Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Love. I love these. And then really quickly to like help diffuse the lines, I'm going to take a Morphe R2 brush and just kind of blend everything together. For highlight, I'm going to use the e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance and do my lower lash line. And I'm going to take raw sienna and buff this underneath there. This shade, Venetian Red, and put this on the outer corner. I'm going to take a very small amount of Cypress Umber and put that down there as well. Oh my god, I got it in my eye. And then I'm going to take a fluffy pencil brush and just blend this out. For my waterline, I'm going to apply a black. And then before I apply a lower lash mascara, I'm going to apply a glitter. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy and apply this to my inner corners and a little bit on the lower lash line. For lips, I'm going to show you two different lip options. One is this nude lip. This is the Steve Laurent lip gloss in the shade Cafe. It's going to make the look a lot more wearable and everyday. But, and then like more of like a bold lip, I'm going to apply this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Napa Valley. this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you have not already. And if you'd like to see a full list of products that I mentioned, you can look in the description box below. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. For lips, I'm going to do like a... For lips, I'm going to show you 2 lip options. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX